my magical friends. Today I am going to tell you a beautiful story, a fairy tale about a royal princess who changed the digital world forever. Her name is Princess HTML. So grab your virtual popcorn and let's dive into the land of code and castles. Our tale begins in the year 1991 when a wise wizard named Sir Tim Berners-Lee created a magical scroll. From that scroll, a baby princess was born, hypertext markup language or HTML as she called. She had the power to turn boring text into a beautiful shareable web pages. By 1995, Princess HTML had grown into a curious little girl. She learned to create forms, lists, and even style her notes using tags. She loved decorating websites with her new skills. She called it HTML2. As she grew older in 1997, HTML3 became super helpful. She made tables, added style touches, and organized content, but it all got messy. She wished for a friend to help with the decorations. And voila! In 1999, Princess HTML made two best friends. They are named as CSS and JavaScript. CSS helped her style the kingdom beautifully, and JavaScript brought it to the life with magic. Together, they ruled Webland with power and creativity. But then things got serious. She went to its XHTML school, where rules were so strict that even one wrong dot broke the spell. HTML felt trapped and missed her playful self. In 2014, Princess HTML returned stronger than ever. Now called HTML5, she could play videos, draw with canvas, store data, and even build games. She didn't need Flash or plugins anymore. She had her own superpowers. Today, Princess HTML5 rules Webland with CSS and JavaScript by her side. They power every website, app, and game you love. And that and that's what, my magical friends, is how a little markup princess become queen of the web. If you enjoyed this magical journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fairy tale style tech stories. Until next time, code happily ever after. Thanks for your time. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.